Hey there, welcome to Crazy Nandan. Today we are drawing a shark folding surprise. So let's start with the A4 sheet. First, we have to fold it half as we do it in folding surprises. Now, we are going to take the bottom corner to the top. Now, we are going to flip the page and again fold the bottom line to the top. Now let's open up the page. Then we are going to flip it again and grab your marker and let's start drawing. Okay, so first we'll start drawing his head. You're going to draw a circle, not perfectly a circle, a little like a circle. And then draw the mouth of it like this. Now we are going to draw the shark's top fin, which makes it look like a real shark. Okay, that's done. Now we're going to draw the fins which help him swim. Draw two curved lines and then bring them back to the mouth like this. Next, we're going to draw the eyes. Draw circles which are big and they should be the perfect size on both the sides. Okay, now you're going to draw smaller circles in them and then we are going to color it out. Okay, now the next step is drawing the nostril. Just draw two dots a centimeter close to each other. Then we are going to make a line in the center. Keep some space from the head. Then we are going to open it up. Next, connect the head to the mouth, leaving the space for the mouth. Okay, here. Now, under the shark's eyes and nostrils, draw a line similar to the down. Then we're going to connect it with two more lines like this over here. Now, we're going to draw the teeth. Draw upside down mountains on the top and make sure the top teeth are equal to the down teeth. I'm drawing 4 on top and then 4 on the down. Here I'm just drawing normal triangles. Okay, so 4 down and 4 top. Now we're going to draw the tongue. You can see the middle 4, make a point over there and then we're going to take it out with two curves like this and then make sure it's equal and then you're going to connect it with a C which is upside down. Now you're going to draw a thing like this and then you're going to connect it with a big curve towards the tongue going inside. Okay, so now what's left? The fishes! So let's draw! Okay, so next let's color. Let's go!